Hi, I have in front of me a indoor slash outdoor 5G LTE filter F-type. Okay, so just for it's available with low cost shipping option directly from freetv.ie, small parcel, and there's an option on it. It's basically the same product. When you buy this, you're just going to get one product, okay? I'm just showing two of them so we can show the connectors opposite end. And if you go for the outdoor version, you're getting exactly the same product. But what we'll give you is a small length of amalgamating tape, which is like a type of waterproof putty that you can use for sealing these, because if you're using this outside, you want to use it for that reason. So why would you use a 5G filter like this? Well, increasingly what's happening is as the spectrum that's being used for TV here in Ireland and in Western Europe, indeed across the world, is constantly being compressed. And so traditionally we'll say the analog system in Ireland would have included the VHF system and then the UHF spectrum from channel 21 up to channel 69. But that was reduced for the 4G spectrum because it was sold off in a very profitable way by the governments right across Western Europe to support 4G network. And that meant, we'll say, that the upper part of the old television spectrum was now being used for 4G signal for mobile phones. But the problem with that is if there was spillover into your equipment, particularly if your older aerials and things like that were capable of working up to channel 69, you could have interference in certain circumstances, particularly if you're close to the mast. So what it did is we brought out a 4G filter which filtered from, we'll say, about channel 59 onwards. But what's happened here is they're rolling out the 5G thing, so they're further compressing the amount of space allocated to the television network here, we'll say, down to from now channel 21 to 48. So what this does is it stops any signal outside of that range being allowed to pass into your television system inside. Okay, so what you do is you'd use this inside, or you could use it just underneath your aerial, for instance. And what will happen then is that even if your aerial is capable of picking up a 5G mobile signal and causing interference, this will effectively block it out. So I wouldn't by definition buy one of these. If you're having a problem, you're getting crappy reception where you didn't before, and a 5G mast has been turned on in your area, this may very well fix it here. What you find in a country like Ireland is the concentration of 5G signal isn't as intense as a lot of our more densely populated European competitors. So the sales of these in an Irish market will be considerably less probably than it would be in a UK market, for instance, but there still is demand for them, and we do sell them, and no doubt in the years to come we'll have a further 6G version.